Welcome back to Panther News. This week we will recap the Shave for the Brave event, we'll preview the musical Grease, and we'll give you some ACT Day info. Am I here with?
Tyler Moe.
How do you feel after shaving your head?
I feel great. It's a little chilly, but it feels awesome, and I'm glad that I did it for a good cause, and I did it with all my peers and friends, so yeah.
Am I here with?
Kale Morgan.
How do you guys feel about shaving your head for Shave for the Brave?
I feel great. It was for a good cause, and I love to show support for the cause.
Am I here with?
Mikey.
How do you feel about shaving your head?
I'm feeling pretty good about it. A lot of people have seen the awareness at like volleyball tournaments and stuff, so I'm feeling pretty good about it.
Thank you very much. Who am I here with?
Aaliyah.
How do you feel after shaving your head?
Fine. It's fun to touch.
Here with?
Michael McCormick.
How do you feel about shaving your head?
Good. I get to wake up at 7:30.
Here with?
Jack Gardner.
How do you feel about shaving your head?
I feel pretty good. It is really cold outside though.
Who am I here with?
Lucas Mangold.
Hunter Baird.
How do you guys feel after shaving your heads?
I feel great. I know it was for a good cause and it was worth doing.
I just love showing awareness, and it feels awesome.
Our Shave for the Brave event raised around $19,000 for St. Baldrick's to help fund childhood cancer research, and we had over 50 shavies stay after the game and shave their heads. Thank you all our sponsors.
And thank you for all our donations and participants.
Hi, my name is Kayden Clark. I'm the stage manager here at Wilmot, and this is behind the scenes of Grease. So this is the backstage space of our theater. This is where we keep all our props, set pieces, and where crew stays for the majority of the show. One of our main props back here right now for Grease, we have our Grease car. This is used in a couple scenes during the show, as well as curtain call. We also have an intercom system that helps us communicate with the booth and with the other side of the stage when needed.
Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm the assistant stage manager here, and I help run things on the other side of the stage. We don't have as many props back here, but we do have a punch table and a picnic table, and we have a lot of fun back here. Also while being quiet, that's very important.
So this is our green room. This is where the cast sticks around for pretty much the whole show. They watch what's going on stage through that TV, while also listening through the speakers what's going on stage, so they know when to go through the cues. This is where we keep all our costumes and other things in the lockers. This is also where people do makeup. So this is our scene shop. This is where we do all our set building and set design with the help of our great volunteer Ron, who helps build most of our sets. In this room is where we have all our storage for our old props and extra material we use for sets. We also do most of the painting and everything else in here.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. I'm the lighting technician at Wilmot, and this is the light board. It controls everything down on the stage, and the lights for the house are also programmed in here. And then this is our spotlight. It's used to focus a light on certain characters when they're soloing. It's got many different levers to control colors, size, shape, all kinds of stuff, and that's about it.
My name's Jake Viven, and I'm the sound engineer for our production of Grease. Here is my station. I do all the sound and stuff. This is a soundboard, and yeah, so we got all the microphones here ready to go for our rehearsal tonight, and yeah, that's about it.
ACT Day is on Tuesday, March 18th, so we'll be here before you know it. Freshmen and sophomores will be taking the pre-ACT test, and juniors will be taking the real test. Seniors do not have to come to school, but should be on a college visit or shadowing a prospective job. Those of you taking the test, make sure you get a good night's sleep, get to school on time, and try your best on the exam. Keep an eye out for more information regarding the ACT and what to expect. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. We hope to see you with a St. Patrick's Day episode soon.